is everyone doing this morning? Today is August the 27th, 2024, and it's 7:45 in the morning. Today we are going to be live trading gold on my Forex account, which is my small account. I think right now I have around $800 in it. So we're just going to trade that for people who want to start with for people who want to start trading Forex and don't have a lot of funds they want to put into it. So you can just throw like $100 in there, 200, 300, and you can trade and build it. So we're going to do that today. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I think, yeah, that's it. So let's get to it. And I've been in a couple of trades in and out this morning. Don't know why. I should have waited like I always do. I wait till New York session when I be up around this time. So let's go. Okay, so as you can see, I'm in a trade, -$5. That's because I just entered a sale right here. This is my account balance, $872. So we're just trying to build that up to probably 3,000. Okay, I entered this trade with a tight stop loss because it's like my red zone right here. This like one of my sell zones, but it could flip and reverse. That's why I have a tight stop loss in case it does decide to flip and reverse. I need to get this down. Okay. Yeah. So that's what we got going on. I already marked up my London high opening, Tokyo high opening, and at 8 o'clock, I will mark up my New York session high opening. And you see I entered the bar down here. I've been doing small lot sizes because I'm trying to build my account, not blow it, especially on this Forex. So, yeah, that's that. Remember I said trading is a waiting game, child. So I have two. This is what I think. I honestly think price is going to go back up to retest London or Tokyo because that's typically how New York opens. And then it may retest down in this zone area and then shoot back up. I think it's gonna go up. But it's been consolidating in this zone for the last 5 hours, I think. I think so. So, and it's slowly been making higher lows. I think I'm using the right term. I don't use terms and these vocabulary words in trading. It's kind of crazy sometimes. But yeah, that was why I entered the trade, and it's a lot of lines, so obviously you can't see. This was my first trade I entered. That's why I kind of don't like trade like it. It's not clean. And I got it going right here. My stop loss was right here. That was my first trade. I got in like right here. And then my second trade, I took a sell. I got it right here. Which I might get stopped out. And I gotta go down here and I put my stop loss right there. And that's about to get stuffed out. So now I'm gonna just wait till New York session opens to decide what I want to do. I feel like I should have moved my stop loss a little bit higher, but we ain't tripping. We are not tripping. I don't want to reset that. Hey, EA Gunner. I have done a couple of fun challenges, and I passed like 100K and a 50K, but it's just too many rules, and they be nitpicking everything, especially when you making money, because obviously they don't want to pay you. That's how they make money, by getting people to get funded accounts. But my thing is, like, with funded accounts, say you do a $5,000 account challenge, a funded account. Many people think, oh, they're gonna give me 5,000 if I pass. No. They're gonna give you $250 to play with. That's it. They don't give you the whole five. You only get $250, which is typically like how much you can lose, which is like 8% or 5% of what you can lose. So, funded account challenges are straight bullshit. I don't recommend it. But if you just playing around, you don't have the funds to put your personal money in a live account, or you don't want to put your personal money in a live account, then I say try a funded. Bless you, mama. You okay? That's my dog. I say try funded, but everything with trading, you just gotta step in and get your feet wet and figure out what's for you. So when I first started trading, I did a live account. I think I put like 1,000 in there, blew that fast, like didn't know what I was doing. And then I started doing funded accounts. So my recent funded account that I have is with Top Tier Trader. But I don't even trade on it anymore. I just straight up use my live account. That's because like the payout thing, oh, you gotta wait 14 days before you pay out. No, I made my money, give me my money now. It's just like any other job. You go to work and at Friday you want your check. Or I gotta wait 2 weeks to get my check. But that's typically how people get paid. But nevertheless, no. You would never see me trade a funded account while I'm streaming. I would never do that. Somebody's on YouTube. What is this? Right. Yeah, exactly. Right. I'm trying to do all this stuff. So if you have the money, like $200, it don't take a lot to start trading. $100. If you can go spend $100 to go eat, put that in your Forex account and build it. That's about it. It'll be worth it in the long run. And they also have demo accounts that you can practice on. It's like paper money. That's fun. But you need to treat it like it's your real money. I know people who do demo accounts and they'll do like $4 lot sizes. Like, be fucking for real. You're not finna bet no $4 on no gold. I don't even do that. My highest lot size typically is 0.35. But when I'm really feeling it, it's 0.77. So you just gotta be realistic when it comes to trading. And the market has been moving slow. Oh, it's the end of the month. Okay, it's the end of the month. We ain't gonna be doing too much trading today. Cause yesterday was super slow, but I had some good trades. It was ping ponging. Ping ponging means you go up, down, up, down, up, down. So it was doing that all day yesterday. So that was nice. I did that on my futures account and a little bit on my Forex account. Today it's just been consolidating for hours. Trying to decide what it's about to do. Oh, 8 o'clock is almost here. And I be trading live again. Let me see. I said a certain date, but I'm fucking tired. Okay, so I be trading live again Wednesday night for my people who works like, during the day and they can't watch the live videos. So I be trading Wednesday night, 7:45 p.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And that's like the Tokyo session. So we gonna do that tomorrow night. That'll be fun. Tokyo been hitting lately. I was in Tokyo last night. Made a couple of thousand. Easy. I'm not gonna lie, my overall bias for today is I just think it's gonna go up. After it touched 2505, which it did, because I said that yesterday it was gonna touch 2505 from here. After it did that, it's about to go back up to, it might make a new high, 2527. What's up here? Oh, 2527? Oh, that's in a 1 minute time frame. Anyway, I got a feeling we're going up more. And I entered a sale like a dummy. But we'll watch. And today we got news at 9 and 10 a.m. It's USD news. And it's like orange folder and a red folder. But I won't be streaming that part. But I will be trading it. Fuck. Freak. Sorry. You. This level. Oh, well, there you go. It's holding. It was holding, but I think it's like a fake breakout. But I'm not tripping, like I said. Okay, so I'm at that position. We not mad. We not mad. Still in my buy I had from, I don't know, I think I got in like at 6 a.m. Small lot size. I think 0.01. And I got it going to 2515.68. Yeah. But the overall day, I'm looking for sales genuinely. Majority of the time, remember I said like 75%, almost 8%. New York always like to get close to London opening before we go opposite. Always. I don't know. I've been noticing that. And you notice like certain patterns by just watching the market. Boom, boom, boom. I got in down here. This is why I don't like getting in my middle zones. This is clearly red for a reason, and I still got in it. But, you know, I always got to test it out to see how you feel about it. And now move my stop loss a little bit right here. Take some type of profit. I'm gonna set it to trail stop loss, which basically means the more price keep going up, my trail stop loss is gonna follow it. You see, it's moving tick by tick. It's just moving a little bit. But like I said, New York likes to get close to stuff and then just drop. Kind of want to get in as a sale, but I'm gonna wait for another confirmation. This is like in the middle of all my zones. And like one thing I learned with trading, like you don't want to rush your entries. Don't enter because it's like, oh, I'm missing out. It's going down. I should enter a sale. Don't do that. Don't do that. Just wait to get to a zone that you particularly like and then enter with confidence, especially if it's just set up. So this line disregarded. Right. Okay. For example, I would enter a sale here because I forgot to enter. But it's like, oh, I wish I would enter right there. So now I got to have a bigger stop loss. Is that mine? It is. So if it breaks New York and retests on top, it's going higher. Some of this music is absurd. Yeah, today has been wonky. I might just wait until news. I haven't entered nothing on my futures account yet. Like everything's in the middle, if that makes sense. Like price action is just in the middle right now, so it's really not a good time to enter anything. So after this trade, I will probably just wait until another confirmation, because my first confirmation was the buy I took this morning at 2508.67, and I was looking for sell confirmation. My sell confirmation is far, but trading is a waiting game. Yeah. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. I'm so sleepy. I don't know why I didn't get no coffee this morning. I do what I want. Price today is not fun. Sometimes you gotta take like a step back to see the market, what you expect to happen. All right, we finally in some decent profit. To play it safe, I would just move my stop loss to my entry because price can reverse anytime it feel like it. So that's why I said 0. I would take partials. I would take half off, maybe 12.12. Let me see. 15. Oh, see, I didn't take nothing off. They didn't give me a chance to take nothing off, child. Price is shooting down. And that's why I mark up my openings. Because like I said, more than likely when New York open, it's going to go straight down opposite of what it was doing, whatever the trend was doing before New York open. 80% of the time it does that every time. So I'm okay booking profits here. Then we go right here. And then I just move my stop loss down because that's what I did. So I have a feeling it's going to retest New York open and then go all the way down. Or it could retest on top of New York open and shoot up. Market can do whatever it wants to. You don't have to be right about the market 100%. As long as you make some money while being in the market. That's all that matters to me. So 11 is a good one to enter at. I'm on my futures account right now. That's why I'm kind of focused on that. And let's stop loss. That work? I didn't hit trail. Right now it's playing between two of my zones. So I'm gonna get them up on my futures until I find a better entry. I hate when I do that. Okay. Yeah, so it's playing between two of my zones right now, which is a buy zone and a sell zone. So I'm trying to decide, should I enter more for another confirmation? But we're gonna wait it out and see what price do. I probably just enter. Like if you look at the 1 minute time frame, it's playing in this red zone I had previously. So it's trying to figure out if we want to go up or down. And a 30-minute candle, let's give it a sell. We'll risk it for the biscuit, because why not, people? Why not risk it for the biscuit? Right, stop loss. 30, we'll lose $40. $40, risk $40 to make $430. That's not bad, right? You gotta make sure you're willing to risk your money when you're trading. Lord Jesus, you're not gonna always win. You're not gonna always win. So I'm gonna take these little $30, $40. Oh, because like I said, it's my buy zone and my sell zone, so I'm kind of scapping my way to victory on my futures. Nice push down. Nice push down. Oh wow, this is great day. Nice push. Nice. All right, this is what I think I would exit. Oh no, price there. Hold on, we got a little more for you. Nice push. Nice. And on my Forex, what you guys are looking at, I did a small lot size and I already took partials. That's how I protect my profits and my margin and my balance. So we're looking good. We're looking good. And I already put my trail stop loss. So you see that it's moving down with price as it keeps coming down. So right now we're at like a resistance zone I have marked up. It could pass it, but it look like it want to pass it. Nice. Are we looking at 2505 again? Give it to me, baby. Oh, I put 2502. It's okay. And this is a trade that I entered late. But like I said, if you see a trade that you wanted to take and you just entered late, you just got to make sure you have a higher stop loss. That's it. Because it can reverse on you real fast. Like this one's doing. I'm going to take my profit off here. We're not mad at it. Yeah, we're good. Okay, and that was just, I'm a scalper, like I said. So you see how price reversing as soon as it got in my zone. That's like a little resistance zone I have in the middle of my chart. Now, I do not suggest you enter in the middle of the chart. These are our demand boxes, the big blue and the big purple. The grays are always in the middle. So that's how I color coordinate it. So I never enter in the middle. That's how I lost my second trade today. Lesson learned. I do it all the time. And I have a problem. So yeah, if I go to a smaller time frame, you can see how price is reversing as soon as it hit that box. And that box been right there. You know what I'm saying? So that's why you gotta mark up your zones beforehand. Me personally, that's what I like to do. Mark up beforehand. Sorry, I keep showing y'all shit. So this is like a good area to buy with a tight stop loss. If you're feeling the biscuit, feel the biscuit. I would enter because it's about to close. Right here with a tight stop loss. I have it right there. And we're going up. That's what I personally would do. I might just do it. But I'm not going to do it because this is the middle of my zone. This is why we don't enter in the middle of our zone. So you can see what price do if we did enter right here. And why you should not enter in the middle of your fucking zone. And what do y'all like? Do y'all like me trading futures or forex? Just a random question. Just to see what people's mindset is at. Don't you love how price keep pushing down in our sell? Because remember, this is why we don't enter the middle of the zone. But this is us. And I got it going right here. And this is for people who enter in the middle of the zone. Like if you enter right here and had a stop loss like right there, you can see what price do. Okay, so what I do want to show y'all is like how did I get, why did I decide to do that? So looking over, it's really on my thing. I have like a little fair value gap from previously at, where is it at? This is what my fair value gap is at. I don't know why that's so big. Okay. So I entered up here, but this gave me another confirmation for it can push down more because it broke this zone, the fair value gap, and retest under. And that's my other fair value gap. So that's why I said price is kind of in the middle. And when price is in the middle, you do not want to hold long. You want to get your money, adjust your stop loss, take profit, take partials, and just keep watching. The market ain't going nowhere. It's going to always be here. You can lose all your money if you hold. Say I got in right here and I'm like, oh, I'm going to hold it all the way down here and I'm not going to take no type of profit. It can reverse. And then now, instead of me making $40, I just lost $400. Bad math, but you know, similar. So yeah, that's how I get that. I hope that helped people a little. That's just how I do it. Because finding entries and knowing when to get out of a trade is very important. That's how you become profitable. Because you can enter a trade all you want, but you got to know when to hold and when to fold. And that just comes with time. 100%. See how price is going up. You see, if we would have entered right here, let me just move that over. If we would have entered right there, we would have been in profit. So then it would have been like, boom, let me take some money off the table and move my stop loss to break even. So now it's at break even. So now if price come back down to retest, I'm not tripping because I'm not losing no money because I already took some profit off the table. So that's how I trade. I'm a scalper. I'm not a holder. I see money. I take money. I'm at the market. Wait for the next setup. It is what it is. It's going to always be setups. Whoever took that trade, they would have been in profit. I don't know how to count pips. It's gold. I don't know. You probably, if you use a small lot size, you probably would have been like $20 or something like that. And that's the thing. People who you see make a lot of money fast with, in a short amount of time, they use bigger lot sizes. They be using like $1 lot size, $5 lot size, $9 lot size. That means they have more money in their account they can leverage, so they can do that. When you have a $500 account, a small account like that, you cannot use these big lot sizes because your account can't hold the drawdown if it decides to go negative or the opposite way of what you want to do. Like when y'all see me make 1,000 here, 800 here, that's my big account. I can do that because you gotta think about it. Because you win big, you can lose big. So yeah, I made $800 one day, but then the next day I lost 1,000. So you gotta think about your lot sizes and the size of your account to hold a drawdown if you go opposite. How long I'm streaming today? I think to 9. Yeah, to 9. Okay, and don't forget I'm streaming tomorrow night, 7:45 p.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. For my peoples who be working they 9 to 5, who work in the daytime, 2 to 3, 2 to 8 p.m., something like that. I got y'all. We're going to live stream Tokyo session, which is the Asian session, which is kind of fun sometimes. It's like as soon as Asian open, it's just like, boom, one direction for like an hour. So we'll do that with my Forex account. And let me know if you like trading Forex or futures in the comments. Like, I need to know, to see if I'm crazy or not. Because the only thing about trading futures is you got to pay to trade. Like, you got to pay for data, tick data. You got to pay if you want to trade on TradingView. You got to pay to trade on TradingView. But then you got low fees, low commission. And then you need a, a lot of startup money. Do that make sense? You need a couple of thousands to trade futures. So boom, if you would have took this trade, that's why you don't hold. You take your profit, set it to break even, and just wait. That's how you scalp. That's how I scalp. Don't know about nobody else, but that's how I scalp. But like I said, this is also my buy zone in real life. But because the market is so shaky today, the end of the month type thing, I be careful when I just enter and exit trades really fast. I just wait to see what price action does. And like New York session opens technically like when it get bumping at like 9 a.m., 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. So I probably wait till then. And then my favorite strategy I use is the silver bullet, the ICT. That's between 10 and 2. I believe. I always get the time frame wrong, but I know when to do it. Is it 10 to 2? Let me see. 10 to 11. Okay, it's 10 to 11 and then it's 2 to 3. So I'm okay with waiting to those times to find a good entry and a good trade around that time because so far that win rate, I have trouble saying my R's because it sound like W's. That win or rate with the ICT bullet is I've been 3 for 3 so far. So we're gonna use that again later on today. They on Instagram. Don't. It's the thing with Instagram. Can you only go live for an hour? I generally don't know. And I can't, I don't even know how to. We're recording. All right, nevertheless. That's the end of that trade. We already got stopped out of here because of that trail stop loss because I be protecting my position pretty fast. So we're not in this trade no more, like I said, but we're gonna watch price. 2506 looks capable. Don't DM me on Instagram some crazy shit. Hate people. This is why I hate. This is why I hate people. It should be like right here, but I'm doing a tight one because that's what I want to do. Because I entered late, I should have had my stop loss like right here, because this would be a better entry. However, I didn't. Tight brisket for the biscuit. It's playing on top of my fib line right now. Oh my god, I'm so hungry. So that's why I entered a buy, because it's playing on top of my fib line. And below my fib line is 2508. 57. 2507. Yeah. And now it looked like it's creating a double top. So I will move my stop loss to my entry 509.41. But like I said, I entered late, so it's not gonna be like a lot of funds getting made. Take partials. And we are watching price go do what it need to do. And like I said, typically it likes to retest New York Open, so that's why I put my TP, my final TP at New York Open. But again, price is in the middle of the zone, so it can do whatever you want to do. It can reverse, it can shoot up, but we're in it to win it. So yeah, I want to miss the. Let me make this bigger. And you see how price we entered right here. We didn't have big drawdown. I think we entered like right here. I'm not lying. This is recorded. And it wasn't no crazy drawdown. You just wait for price to do what it gotta do, and now it can use this as resistance. Or flip on top of it, use it as support, and go all the way to New York Open, like I said. But we already moved our stop loss to break even, so we're not losing any money if price come back down. So now you kind of just want to take partials. See how it just shot back down instantly? Price can do that. So I took partials because that is a nice resistance. That's my fair value gap. Remember that. And it can do what it want to do. So because I want to end the day with close to 900, we'll do that. But it could be a fake breakout. Welcome to trading. Welcome to trading. So now we'll set the stop loss to trail. So like I said, trail stop loss, it just follows the price as it moves up. And if it goes stagnant or if it moves down, the trail stop loss just stay where it's at and wait for price to come to it. That's pretty much it. I think this was a successful stream on showing you Forex. I forgot what we started with. I think like 800 something dollars. So I made like, I don't know, $80 on Forex. It's possible to build your account. It's possible. Watch the end of the week. If I trade Forex again on stream, we can see what we at. Let's hope for 1,000, right? That's all we want. Big bucks, no whammy. So that's pretty much it for this stream, guys. I hope y'all learned something. I did talk a little bit more on this one. I was tired in the beginning, but then I got some more. You see how it's rejecting? That's my fair value gap. So that's a good place to sell and then take it all the way down to 2505. Because this was a liquidity grab right here. And now we're thinking it's going to go down. So, boom, I might just do that. I might just enter right there. Should I do one more trade for y'all? Or should I leave it alone and end this stream, child? What should I do? What should I do? Oh. We'll end it right there. I took it on my futures account. I took it on my futures account. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. It was just too easy to not grab it. Genuinely. Where's my chase at? Boom. Boom, 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 boom. It was too easy not to get it. So I didn't take it on my Forex account, but I took it on my futures account. I'm sorry, y'all. I still love y'all. I'm already in profit. So I'm gonna end the stream here. Thank you guys for watching. Wait, I have to close my position before I end the stream here. Yeah, I think I should. I'm in this stream. Thank y'all for watching. I appreciate everyone who attended the stream. And I hope you learned something. And remember, when you see money, take money. And you can start with a small account. It's possible. Don't let these big dollars fool y'all when people be trading, making, oh, I made $10,000 a day. No, typically they're funded accounts or they just have enough money in their account to leverage to make that money. So, peace.